Hello everyone, it's Carrie, and today I'm going to share with you two fun floral items. So here we go. And I wanted to share that I got some flowers for Mother's Day. Not like your typical flowers, but these kind of flowers. And so that's kind of an awesome Mother's Day, isn't it? These are the Altenew wallpaper art flowers. And I'll tell you, when I got this set, I didn't know that it was going to be this large. So it's really quite fun and beautiful florals. There are a couple sentiments on here that says thank you, hello, congratulations, and miss you. And then I also got the matching dies and the vases. Versatile vases is what this is called. So I'm excited to try these. But that was kind of a fun Mother's Day flower gift. But what I really want to share with you today is the Hedgehog Hollow kit that just came last week. And this is the May Hedgehog Hollow. And I'm so excited because this month is all about florals. And so, you know how I love my florals. So I wanted to share this with you really quick. But look how cute. It comes all packaged, and I did take a little peek at this earlier. It comes packaged so cute. Look at this. So this is the postcard that came this time, and it is designed by the artist that designed the stamps in this one. And let me see if I can find her name here. Sophia. I don't see her full name, but oh, there we go. Sophia Caldwell. She is the designer behind what's in this kit this month, and I am not familiar with her, but wait till you see her designs. So we've got a bunch of envelopes that came in the kit, which are a beautiful pink and will look great with those florals. And then a bunch of beautiful spring colors of cardstock. And I love these colors this time. I don't see who these are made by, but there's a beautiful yellow, a coral, a green, a pink, and a blue. And then, of course, some candy. Look at this cute candy this time. They are little floral candy. How cute. So that's kind of fun. And then we've got these chipboard words this time. I love these chipboard pieces because there's so much you can do with them. You can just use them as is, but you can also use them to heat emboss. I'm going to just use one of these pieces of paper here so you can see. So there we have a beautiful, a fabulous, sympathy, another fabulous. We've got a hugs, love, and actually a couple of sizes of love. Here's a couple smaller little loves. We've got a circle and another love. So plenty of chipboard to use. And then look at all these sets that came in this kit. I could not believe it when I opened this up. This is amazing, actually. This first one is a stencil, and I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to open this up really quick. It is beautiful. Let's see. Let me get a piece of paper. Can you see that? Those florals on that stencil? Really beautiful floral stencil. So this would work great with some glitter paste or inking even. Lots of different colors you can use with that. So I'm super excited that there was a stencil included this time. And then 3 different stamp sets. So these are all, I believe, designed by Sophia Caldwell. And she's an amazing floral artist. So look at this. We have a beautiful spray of flowers. I'm trying to keep this all up so you can see it up here. But look at this beautiful spray of flowers. And then there's a little bouquet here. It's got all these different kinds of florals in it. There is a vase here with a bunch of florals. Another side spray. And there are a couple words in this one. Thanks, happy, and love. So look at that beautiful set. So that's one of 3 sets that came in the kit this time. This one is so beautiful. Look at this tea. This is like a little tea set with poppies. These look like poppies to me. So beautiful. And then here's one, and it says inside, it says happy birthday, but this is removable. You can take this out and you can replace it with any of these other sentiments that fit in here. So there is a small little daughter, aunt, I want you to know you've been in my thoughts. Just want to check in and ask how everything's going. I hope you get to do something fun to celebrate a little handmade happiness. So beautiful. I love those poppies. And then the third set that came in the kit is this one. And look at this. We have some border florals here, and they are not attached, so you can use them together or you can use them separate. That's going to look so beautiful at the bottom of a card, I think. And then we also have this one down here that looks like a bunch of sunflowers or daisies with some ferns. So pretty. And there's a few sentiments. Hope you're having a great day. Keep your head up. You rock. You're amazing. My world is better with you in it. Miss you. And your halo is tilting. But that is so super fun and beautiful. Look at all these beautiful flower cards we're going to be able to make this month. And then also came in the kit are some cardstock. These are already cut. Look how thick this is. It's very thick. This is probably 110 pound. I love the thickness of this. And so these are the card bases that came in the kit. So you can score them and fold them. And so you have your card bases. You have all of these beautiful floral stamp sets. Oh my goodness. A floral stencil. Put that like that so you can see it. All these chipboard pieces came with. So fun. And then all of these beautiful spring colors of cardstock. A whole bunch of envelopes here. And of course your candy. Don't forget about that. So this is the beautiful Hedgehog Hollow May kit. And I just wanted to jump on real quick and share with you. I cannot wait to ink these florals. They're so pretty. And I was just so surprised at everything that came in this kit this time. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick sneak peek at the Hedgehog Hollow May 2019 kit. I'm going to go get creating with them right now. And so anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. Hi, everyone. Oh, it's lovely to see you. I hope you all have a really great day. We'll see you later. Bye.